Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to insert and format time in Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So you can see weekday, start time, end time and hour worked. So uh, if you want to add insert and format time, so select the cells on which you add time format. So after selecting the cells, click the right side of mouse and here you can see format cells, so click on it. And in category you can see time options, so click on time, and here you can see different format of time. So here you can select any format. I am selecting AM PM format. So after selecting the format, you can also see locations. So here you can change the location of your time. So I am selecting United States, so you can select anyone which you want to change. So after that, click on OK. So here when you will write time, it will come into AM or PM. We know that one day contain 24 hour, and hour below the 12 it will come into AM, and hour above the 12 it will come into PM. So for example, I am writing 7, so because it below to 12 hours, so that's why when I will click the enter button, it will come into AM. So for example, end work time is 16. So after that you can see it above 12 hour. So when I will press enter button, it will change into PM. So you can see. So guys, in this way you can insert and format time. So if you want to change or add the another format, so again select the cells and you can see here select the right side of mouse and then click on format cell. So here you can change time format. So here are different time format. So for example, when I will click on it and then click on OK, you can see time is changed in this format. So guys, in this way you can insert and format time in Excel. If you want to calculate hour worked, then please watch my next video. So in the next video I will completely describe how you can calculate hour worked. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.